Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make ball use command read in Solidworks, like this. Without wasting time, let's start it. Go to From Plan, Active Circle, click from this point to this point, Active Smart Dimension, make the circle diameter is 17 mm. Active Extrude Boss, make extrude parameter 8 mm. OK. Click this face, click Sketch, Active Circle, click this point to this point, Active Smart Dimension, make this circle diameter is 10 mm. Active Extrude, make extrude parameter is 30 mm. OK. Active Jumper, make jumper parameter is 1 mm. Click this edge and this edge. OK. Click this face, click Sketch, Active Polygon, click from this point to this point, Active Smart Dimension, click this line and this line, make distance 8 mm. Active Extrude Cut, make extrude cut parameter is 5 mm. OK. Now active command read. OK. Click this edge. Make length and condition 25 mm. Size parameter is M10 times 1.25. Change type parameter to metric die. OK. See, trim is make it, but the cut is not perfect, need to modify. Click Treat, click Edit Feature, check Offset, choose different direction, OK. Still need modification? Go to Treat Parameter, make offset parameter 2 mm. OK. See, now perfectly cut. Ball is ready. Now we will choose material. Right click material, click edit material, choose IC 1035 steel, click apply and click close. See, light ball is general. I think it's the end tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.